Hello, I'm your Nitpicker, and today we're going to be reviewing Freebirds. This movie came out around Thanksgiving time in 2013. Two rather nasty reviews. Yeah, I saw the film and I actually enjoyed it. Yeah, it's actually pretty funny and pretty well made. Hey, for a relatively new studio, real effects, that is. And so, the premise is that these two turkeys find a time machine and go back in time to the days of the pilgrims in India, and to take turkeys off the menu. Yes, it sounds like it came straight out of a cartoon. As ridiculous as it is, I actually found some enjoyment out of it. Well, yeah, mate, pretty decent. And the voice acting from Owen Wilson and Brendan Fraser is very good and very funny. I also like the characters from Jake and Ellie to who the in to the pilgrims and then the pilgrim and the other turkeys. There's also the matter of the ending, which is, yeah, I'm not gonna spoil it, but when you see it, boy, will your mind be blown. So that's my review of Free. I know it's a little late for Thanksgiving, but what are you gonna do? See you next time.